There are over 500 different breeds of dogs. Each one is bred for a particular reason or combination of reasons and to have very specific characteristics. If you choose a dog on its looks alone, you risk having a dog which might not suit your needs or situation. Breed characteristics can vary a lot, not only in size and how they look, but also in temperament, susceptibility to health issues, cost to you, and many other things. There are different ways of classifying dogs into different groups in different places around the world. For instance, the Kennel Club of Great Britain is known worldwide as one of the most prestigious kennel clubs, classifying breeds into 7 distinct groups. These groups are the gun dog, the hound, pastoral dogs, terriers, toy dogs, utility dogs, and working dogs. Dogs may be described according to colour, height, or other characteristics. Height is commonly measured to the shoulder, referred to as the withers. Dog colour descriptions often use different terminology. For instance, a dog might be called chocolate instead of brown. A gun dog is a type of dog that has been bred to help humans when hunting, normally when hunting birds. Gun dogs can be bred to behave in different ways. They can be retrievers, where they pick up and bring a bird back to the hunter. Another type of gun dog is a pointer, which stops instinctively and points its muzzle towards the prey, towards what is being hunted, sometimes lifting its paw. This helps the hunter locate the game animal. Another way of a gun dog working is as a flushing dog. These are dogs who flush out the game from their hiding places towards the waiting hunters. Gun dogs include English setters, German pointers, Irish setters, golden retrievers, cocker spaniels, and Labrador retrievers. A Labrador retriever is a type of gun dog. Medium height, a solid dog with a big head and thick nose. Eyes are chestnut and hazel. Ears will hang against the head. The neck is powerful and the tail is of medium length. Bones tend to be thick and solid. The coat is thick and short. Colours are brick yellow or liver, referred to as chocolate. Colours are always solid. The expected height for male dogs is up to 57 centimetres and they weigh in at around 36 kilograms when grown in prime condition. Hounds are similar to gun dogs and were originally bred to help humans hunt. They work by tracking or chasing prey by sight or by scent. The hounds that track by sight are generally larger and faster dog breeds. Those that track by scent tend to be smaller and more robust. Sight hounds are fast and have a great deal of stamina when compared to scent hounds. Hounds include beagles, dachshunds, greyhounds, Irish wolfhounds, and basset hounds. An Irish wolfhound is a medium height and solid dog with a big head and a thick nose. Eyes are chestnut and hazel. Ears will hang against the head. The neck is powerful and the tail of medium length. The coat is thick and short. Colours are black, yellow, liver, referred as chocolate, and colours are always solid. The height of male dogs is 79 centimetres. Weight for male dogs is at least 54 kilograms. Bones are thick and strong in the Irish Wolfhound. Pastoral dogs are any breed of dog that has been bred for mustering, guarding, or managing livestock on a farm. These include Border Collies, Australian cattle dogs, German Shepherds, Corgis, and Old English sheepdogs. There are two types of Border Collies. One has coarse hair and the other has sleek hair. Commonly they're black and white, but there are variations in coat and eye colour, such as blue eyes, red coats, or white and tan coats. A healthy weight for male dogs is around 23 kilograms. Heights range minimally between the sexes at around 53 to 56 centimetres. Terriers were originally bred to hunt vermin like mice, rats and rabbits. Some breeds were bred to go down holes and flush out foxes or other agricultural pests. Most of today's terriers are mainly companion pets, but some are still used for working. Terriers include the Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Jack Russell Terrier, or the Maltese Terrier. The Staffordshire Bull Terrier is commonly known as the Staffy, and it's a short and solid breed. It has the potential to be extremely muscular. The breed has very muscular cheeks and a gripping jaw. Eyes are round and dark. It has a deep chest, and its limbs are set far apart due to the body width. The breed is short-haired with solid and brindle colours. You can expect an entire male to grow around 49 centimetres tall, and females are only slightly shorter. They are weighty for medium dogs and commonly weigh around 23 kilograms. Their temperament is loyal and devoted, and they're obedient and tolerant of children. Toy dogs have been bred as companions. Many originate from ancient lap dogs. Some are a version of hunting or working dogs, just bred to be smaller. Toy dogs include the Chihuahua, Bichon Frise, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and the Pug. Bichon Frise is a bold and lively breed that makes a very affectionate pet. It does, however, have a tendency to bark. This breed has a moderate, rounded muzzle. It has round and dark eyes. They have long hair and hanging ears. The tail is curved over its back. The coat is normally white. They grow around 30 centimetres tall and generally weigh around 5 kilograms. Utility dogs are those that are bred for purposes which are not clearly defined by any other group. They may have been originally developed for a purpose that no longer exists. For instance, a Dalmatian is a dog which was bred originally to trot alongside a horse-drawn coach. All utility dogs are placed in this group because they don't clearly fit any other category. Utility dogs include the Shih Tzu, Schnauzer, Poodle, and Dalmatian. Within the Poodle breed there are 3 types called toy, miniature and standard poodles. A toy can be 25 centimetres or less from the bottom of its foot to the shoulder or withers. A standard is always over 38 centimetres, but normally 45 to 60 centimetres to the shoulder. Colours range from black and brown to white, grey and cream. A healthy standard poodle is around 22 kilograms in weight. Poodles remain slim well into old age. A working dog is one that's not purely bred as a pet, but it's trained to perform another function that helps humans. For instance, it might be a sled dog, a draft dog, perhaps a search or rescue dog, or a service dog who helps disabled or visually impaired people. Working dogs include the Alaskan Malamute, the Great Dane, the Mastiff and the St. Bernard. The Alaskan Malamute is an intelligent and loyal breed, sweet and affectionate towards its owner, with incredible stamina. These are mostly good-natured dogs, but they can be a vicious fighter when challenged by other dogs. Malamutes are strong, well-built dogs, with a wide head, upright ears and small eyes. Their coat is thick, with a soft woolly undercoat ranging from very light grey to black. The tail is bushy and long. Malamute males are up to 49 centimetres to the shoulder and females 46 centimetres. Males weigh up to 23 kilograms.
Click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Thank you for watching.